Are you looking for a freehold terrace house in District 15? Today, I'm going to bring you on a home tour on this freehold brand new 3-story with attic corner terrace house nested in Opera Estate. This beautiful brand new unit, and it sits on 1456 square feet of freehold land, built up to 4551 square feet. Comes with 5 bedrooms, each with its ensuite bathroom. The front car pouch can park up to 2 cars. The living space is designed with a curtain window, allowing natural light into the interior space. You can enjoy your me moment with this outdoor patio. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. Thoughtfully planned and designed of the dry and wet kitchen, you will see top-of-the-range appliances and premium finishing and fittings. Come, let me show you all the bedrooms. Looking at the spacious bedrooms, each with its ensuite bathroom, all bedrooms' flooring is lined with parquet flooring. At the attic, there's 2 good-sized bedrooms. Come, follow me. At this attic level, there are 2 good-sized rooms with attached bathroom and quality fittings. One of the bedrooms comes with an open balcony with an unblocked view.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.